You probably didn't know this, but one faulty wire can destroy an entire home. Hi, I'm Daniel from Scope Facilities. I help property owners and managers avoid common maintenance problems before they turn into costly repairs. In this series, I'll share simple, practical tips to keep your property safe and running smoothly. Flickering lights and burning smells are warning signs, not minor issues. Overloaded power boards and damaged wiring increase fire risk fast. Never overload outlets, replace damaged cords immediately, and get suspicious wiring checked early. Scope Facilities helps keep Aussie homes electrically safe. This is your handyman mate form scope, giving advice to make sure your property is safe for living. Drop your maintenance issue below, and we'll explain the solution in the next video. Drop